Horizontal charcoal briquette machine. Put each straw briquette into furnace. Straw stalk have been pressed by briquette machine firstly. Rice husk and other agricultural wastes also could be used. Fasten the lid on the stove. Then preheating the stove with wood and other biomass waste. It will take 40 minutes to preheat. You can check the temperature here. Flammable gas began to build up inside the stove. Burning wood has been stopped. The carbonization process has already begun. It is smokeless and energy-saving. This carbonization furnace is suitable for household use and early investment in making charcoal. Thank you.